first warm-up. So this is for the chest. So keep your hand on the elbow and try to do like this word. It's like 10 reps, and let's do the lat right now. So let's do the next warm-up. So pull backward. Try to stretch backward, okay? Keep on doing like this word. And so let's do the next variation right now. So full overall rotation. Do this word like 10 and other side of 10. So once you completed that, make a stretch. So let's do the hand stretch. Yeah, support the elbow and do the stretch. And next side. So today we are planning to do the SNC workout. So here we start with the workout right now. Here we are starting with our first workout. Let's do that. So let's jump up 1, touch the toe like this backward, 2, 3. It's a easy one. We are starting with the normal and easy one. So keep on doing with us, guys. Let's do like 20 into 3 sets, okay? So try to touch the toe itself, okay? Guys, here we are going with the second variation. So make backward like forward lunges. So you can easily understand like cross lunges and all, okay? So keep on crossing like this. So both sides like 5 each into 3 sets. Plan to give you some SNC exercise based on this rain and all. We can do as light only. So I am plan to give you like 6 to 7 variations. Let's keep on doing with me. So let's go with the third variation right now. The workout is like this word, guys. It's like a sumo squat, jumping up on the middle and raise upward and come down and make a other side move. Yeah, and come down and jump up. Make a left side again and sit down. Same as that, come this side and on the middle again jump up. So you can see this form. So you should keep on doing like 10 into 3 sets. So when you come middle, jump upward and make a cross on that side. Yep. So this is the workout, guys. Do this 10 into 3 set. So if you want to work out on the glute also, if you go a little bit downward, it will work on your back glute also. So try to keep on doing like this word. And guys, so see this, support on the wall and jump backward like this word. Start jumping and come down. Yes, do this 12 into 3 sets. So this is like a strengthening workout. So you can give full force on your hand and support your back and do like this word. If you want to jump more higher, please try to jump more higher also. So this is the workout right now we should do. So let's do 3 more, guys. 2 and last one. Here we stop. Yep. Variation. So let's get started. So do like this, lie down completely on the mat and do like this. It will work on your abs also. So try to alternate the leg and do like this word. So up and down. So give the full, try to keep the knee straight and leg straight and go upward. So keep on crossing like this and try this. If you try like this 12 both sides like 24, it will work very well. Try this for 3 times. 3 sets, okay? Like 24 each. If you can, maximum keep your leg full straight and try to cross and keep on doing, okay? So let's do the both side again for 3 more. I'll show you and we'll go with the next variation. So this will be the last, second last workout. Yeah, we'll go with the next variation, guys. We are going with the 5th variation. See this, it will work your core and hand strengthening. It's like a balancing. You should hold it for 15 seconds like this word. So keep on holding. It's not so easy and all. Try to keep practicing and doing. Guys, here we are going with the 6th variation. This is the second last variation. So jump up and take your hand straight like this word. So cross jump and do like this. Keep on balancing and doing both sides like 10 into 3. One side will be 10. Total 20 into 3 sets, okay? So keep on doing. You can see this properly, right? Yeah, straight your leg like this and hands up. See from upward. Yeah. Okay, let's go with the last variation for this. We are going with the last variation. And before that, if you want to do abs, stretching, overall full body workouts, lower back and leg, shoulder, everything will be there on description. So you can go through that. So this is the last workout. Hold like the plank position. Raise your hands like this word. And do both sides like 10 each, okay? So keep on holding like this word and try to do. So let's do the next side. So this is the last variation for the day. I think so this workout may be helpful for you. So if you are like our videos and all, please like and share. So thank you for watching guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.